Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cottage loaf. Where to begin? So to start, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the bowl place your bread flour and the salt and mix the two until they are well combined. You can then go ahead and add in the yeast and the white shortening, followed by the water, then mix on a low speed to start with for 2 minutes, and then work your way to a medium high and mix for a further 4 minutes. You should notice that the dough is clean and comes away from the bowl, leaving a little trace of being there. Flour your work surface with some of the bread flour, then place your dough onto it and give it a good knead just until the dough is smooth and elastic and you've incorporated some of that flour. Once you've done that, bring the dough back into a ball shape and place into a lightly oiled bowl. Cover it with cling film and leave it somewhere for around 45 minutes to an hour until the dough has doubled in size. So once your dough has finished its first proof, you will then want to flour your surface, place the dough onto it and knock it back. That's just the process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough. Then you'll want to bring it back into a ball shape. You'll then want to take your dough and divide it, so you'll have a smaller and a larger piece. The larger piece should weigh 2/3 of the total weight and the top piece should only weigh 1/3. That way it's perfectly balanced. Round the balls of dough off, whichever way works best. I just find my hand on the countertop works really well. Once you've done that, you can then place one on top of the other. Then, using your finger, you'll just want to poke a hole directly in the middle of the dough all the way down until you feel the tray of parchment paper underneath. Then just take a sharp paring knife and just cut your scores into the dough. You'll want to make around 12, as that's what I think I remember from college, not fully. Cover the dough and allow it to proof again, then bake it off. And here is what the bread looks like once it's fully baked. Now I'm just letting it cool. You should really take it off the tray and put it onto a cooling rack, but I didn't think about that at the time. So make sure that you do that so it doesn't continue baking, although it didn't affect the end result. So once your bread is fully baked and cooled, you can then start to slice it up however thick you'd like it. But then once you cut into it, you'll see that it's just the perfect bread to have for a sandwich or to have with a meal. And it is really soft and light, it's not too heavy, so that's perfect for what you need bread for, isn't it? So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be a link to this recipe directly, a link to my blog, and then all my social media links. So don't forget to go and check me out and follow me out all over there. But that's all for today. Bye guys.